Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077181. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update and set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Scroll up and find app readiness over here, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. If that does not work, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. And once it is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once done, once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181, and then click on search over here. Check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25H2. Check your version, then open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, check your system type. So system type in my case it's 64-bit operating system. Now over here for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5077181 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Now open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then you have to click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let it close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure that this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.